In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in as a guest in Microsoft Teams. Whether you've been invited to a meeting but don't have a Teams account, or you just want to join quickly without signing up, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, you need to receive an invite from the meeting organizer. This usually comes as a link in an email or a calendar invite. Once you have it, click on the link that says, "Click here to join the meeting." This will open your web browser and take you straight to the Teams meeting page. Next, you'll see an option to continue on this browser. Click it, and then wait for the site to load. You may be prompted with a message asking for permission to use your camera and microphone. Click Allow so you can participate fully in the meeting. Now it's time to enter your name. In the text box provided, type the name you want to display in the meeting. This can be your real name or something simple like test, depending on what the host expects. After typing your name, click Join Now to request entry to the meeting. Here's an important step. The meeting organizer or host will need to admit you into the meeting. Once they click Admit, you'll officially join the session, and your camera and microphone will be active if permissions were granted earlier. From here, you can participate in the discussion just like any other attendee. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your browser is updated, check your microphone and camera beforehand, and use a stable internet connection to prevent delays. Doing this beforehand ensures a seamless entry into the meeting without technical hiccups. Once you've been admitted, you're all set. You can see and hear everything in the meeting, and the host can interact with you just like any other participant. If needed, you can also adjust your audio and video settings during the call for the best experience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to log in as a guest in Microsoft Teams quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need a quick way to join meetings. Why not make someone's virtual collaboration easier?